Happymailqueen. Happy Friday to everybody. Today I have an Alina Craft Design Team project for you guys. Just a little project share. And I thought we'd do something a little different. I thought we can do like a little project together. A little craft with me. So let me share my quick little project first. I wanted to feature this die right here today. It's the thank you die from Alina Craft, and it does come with the shadow die. And then I also again used the ticket strip. I'm having fun with this one, and then let me share with you my idea of how to gift these little ticket strips, or how I'm gonna house them when I give it to somebody. So first, let me go ahead and share my thank you card. Here is a little thank you card. It's actually a thank you envelope. You could either make this a card front or decorate your little envelope. I thought I'd do something different and just decorate an envelope. I've already started using the Michaels embossed paper that I just picked up the other day. And for this one here, I did use some glitter paper in gold and also foil paper. This heart right here, I wanted to use this heart, and this is part of that die cut set. This one right here from Michaels, and it's the largest heart, and so I decided to create this 5" by 5" envelope. It's slightly bigger actually, because it's supposed to house a 5 by 5, so it's about 5 1/8. And this little piece right here again is from that little doily, the round little doily die from one of the album dies from Alina Craft. And then this is another die cut from Michaels. That's I think that came along with this set. Yes, it's the little ones right here. So I thought that was really cute, you know, very simply decorated, but it's just a cute little thank you card. And for the inside, I did use one of the cut aparts from the Michaels paper, and it says, "You are one cool chick." So wouldn't this be cute to just give somebody a little thank you card? And it says, "You are one cool chick." And then I just matted it on gold cardstock, glitter cardstock, and then I can write a little sentiment. So it's always good to have these on hand because, you know, it's ready to go when you want to send some happy mail or just to give someone a little thank you card. So that is my first little project. And then remember, you guys, I made little tickets. Well, I decided I wanted to put them in little itty bitty envelopes, and so that's what I did here. So as you can see, I made little envelopes. So I used my little mini envelope punch board, and I decided to, at first I created a 2 by 2 envelope, and then I decided, no, I think I want to make it more a rectangular shape because I think it's cuter. And also it will fit the little ticket strips, decorated ticket strips that I made. And so I decided to go ahead and use the one that fits a 1.5 by 2.5 card size. So what you're going to do is take a 3.5 by 3.5 cardstock, and then you're going to score at 2 1/8 and using the punch board, and this is what you get. Isn't that cute? And then I just used a decorative corner from Fiskars. I did this one right here, which is like the lace. Well, they're all lace, but I love using this one. That's my favorite. And I just put a little decorative corner. And it's so cute. And remember these little guys a few years ago, everyone's like decorating these. So I thought that would be really cute. And yeah, it it looks really pretty at making them using the embossed paper from Michaels. So look how cute that is. And I didn't want to close it, you know, I wanted to leave the envelope open because I think it looks so cute like that. And you just kind of gift it that way. And then I can just put this in a plastic. So I made some more right here. Let me just share that. So here's the one with a poodle. And again, it does fit the 4 ticket strip. And for this one, I just whipped out my embellishments. I have lots of heart embellishments from, this one's from Hobby Lobby. It's like a little button. And here's another little cute little, you know, those hearts from Hobby Lobby. I have a bunch of embellishments. So see, I whipped out all my embellishments. So there are those hearts. And here's my latest one right here for this one here. Let me go ahead and show you the little strip that I made. It says "You're Sweet." And then I did the little glasses. I actually fussy cut this. And this is from the Michaels paper. So I just fussy cut. There's a little cute little ticket. All I did was put a little bling because it's so pretty by itself. And then I put "I love you as much as cupcakes." So cute, right? And you just fold that up. And before I stick it in there, let me just show you, this is a decorated envelope. The person can still reuse this. This paper is a leftover from one of my other Valentine papers from Michaels. And I had kind of just had some scraps. And so I made my little envelope and then used some die cuts. This here is that resin piece from, I think it was like 2 Valentine's Day ago from Hobby Lobby. Remember these guys? It came with arrows and these words. So really cute. And then this is a, I just fussy cut this from the paper collection. And you just stick it in there and look how cute that looks. It looks so cute and so full. And if you want, you can just decorate the envelope. You don't have to put the tickets in there. You can just put some hearts. Really, really cute. So that's just fun to gift, right? So I thought we'd go ahead and create one of these cute little envelopes and also the little tickets. We'll start by cutting a piece of cardstock at 3.5 by 3.5 inch square. Then we're going to take our punch board, mini punch board, and score at 2 1/8 and punch and score all around, and that will create our mini envelope. Then take another cardstock for your ticket strip and cut at 1.5 by 12 inch. And we're just gonna go ahead and put this through our cutting machine. So we're gonna cut, just let it pass once through, and then remove your cardstock and place it back again, starting on that the end of the second strip to create the second half of the ticket. And you'll end up with a ticket strip that is 4 ticket strip long. Then you can decorate. So I did use the Michaels paper again, and all this is just fussy cut from the cut-aparts. I love this one. This one says "You are my cupcake," and I fussy cut a little cupcake and just popped it up with a little bit of foam tape. And I think I'm just going to add a little bling here for my stash. And then for my second ticket, I fussy cut this a little ticket that says "Kiss." That's what I love about this paper collection. It has little ticket strips already, actually. or they look like ticket strips. This lipstick sticker here is from Hobby Lobby, and here I'm trying to figure out where I'm putting it because I realize I probably should have put that little ticket a little bit higher or angle it a different angle. And then for my third one here, I used this one of the cut aparts again. One of the strips. It says you and me, and I fussy cut the little teeny tiny envelopes on the left lower end there. Adhered that, and this acrylic piece arrow is from Hobby Lobby. I'm just adding a little bit of glue and making sure I put that above the dotted line there so I don't cover it up. So just cleaning it up here. Really cute. And I think I add another little bling on that tip of the arrow. For my last and final strip, ticket, I'm going to use this Michaels truck die, and I just cut a red little truck. I'm gonna go ahead and pop it up with some foam adhesive and then decorate the little truck. And this paper I used for the truck is from Joann's. It is one of the holographic papers, and I think it comes in an 8.5 by 11. And these little puffy hearts were gifted to me by my BFF Erica. I'm just putting some glue and sticking it in there, and it's perfect. Fits perfectly inside the little truck. And I'm going to add some Alina Craft bling on the tires of the truck. Really cute. And I'm just kind of cleaning up the glue because I put a little too much glue, so I had to peel that off and put it back on there with just a tad of glue so it doesn't seep out. And then I decided to add some teeny tiny clear gems just to, I don't know, line the little window, just to separate the window from the rest of the car. And then this is one of the stickers from Hobby Lobby, and just for a cute little sentiment that says I adore you. And that is it on the ticket strip. So let's go ahead and put together our mini envelope. I punched my corners, just the two corners, for a different look there, and then went ahead and just assembled my mini envelope. And I was trying to figure out what to do here, and I ended up taking the bling from that felt heart. I think that was from Hobby Lobby, I think. I'm not sure. It's been in my stash. And then I put another sticker from that, from a different sticker pack from Hobby Lobby. And I ended up moving that little banner. As you can see, I moved it down on the envelope and replaced it with a pink heart. And that's it. Now I can stick my decorated ticket strip, and there you go.